exciting is this? Okay, so see all these? Totally fine. I am now ready. We've also finished this one. The only one we haven't done is this, and Stuart's working on that. So I have actually got some Bondo. I'm gonna come through, fill all these seams, wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna go sand everything down. We'll smooth out those corners, and it's gonna look like $1 million. And then you guys, we will be ready to paint. I'm excited to get this painting done because that means tomorrow we can put the epoxy on after the paint has had 24 hours to cure. And once the epoxy has cured enough, then we can add our faucet, and then we will have a functioning sink. So that's the plan. This stuff cures really fast, so I didn't even have time to finish before it started to cure. Okay, this is all ready. I slightly rounded off the corners with the sander. And now, you see that Bondo just smoothed all of these out. So now this, we wanted to put the seam, we purposefully cut it so that this right here is one whole piece. That's just a pencil mark. This right here is one whole piece. And then the seam was right here. We wanted the seam to be very minimal. So we made sure that it was somewhere back in the back right here. So now I'm going to be screwing these in from the bottom to secure them. And then I'm gonna Bondo this seam, sand it down, and we will be all ready to paint.